of technological innovation. We specialize in optoelectronic modules, fingerprint recognition modules, smart home electronics. With the driving force of technological innovation, we have conducted market research and developed high-quality products. We have gathered top talents in the high-tech industry and upheld the spirit of excellence, constantly pursuing technological innovation and product upgrades. Our top-notch modern research and development factory and SMT intelligent production line are certified by the ISO 9001 quality management system.
Smart